Hello one and all. I was discussing the trigonometric limit earlier through the two different videos. It's my third videos on trigonometric limit. So just see. Limit 1 minus cos x root cos 2x by x square. Earlier I have suggested you that irrational must be rationalized. So wherever there will be irrational, rationalization is compulsory. So we rationalize this 1 minus 1 plus. So after rationalization, a square minus b square. When this is squared, we get cos square x, and when this is squared, the root is cancelled, so cos 2x. Numerator as usual, this into this, this into this. After that, since x square is available in denominator, and we know that x is needed for sine. साइन के लिए x चाहिए लेकिन ऊपर में cos है, so all the cos's must be converted to sine. This is the rule, basic rule, fundamental rule of the limit. X square is given and we need sine to consume x. Sin x by x is 1, so all cos's must be converted to sine. So cos square x is 1 minus sine square x, and cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. From trigonometry the formula came. Now multiplying this and this, we get this much. Now breaking the bracket, after that we get 1 minus 1, signs are changed, minus becomes plus, and plus becomes minus. After that this 1 cancel, and this gives 3 sine square x minus 2 sine 4x. By as usual, limit x tends to 0. After that the sine square x is common, so we get this. Now sin x by x is equal to 1. So sin x by x whole square is equal to 1 whole square. So this is already 1. Now putting the value 1 into 3 minus 2 into sin 0 is 0. So right here 0. After that 1 plus cos 0 is 1 root. Again cos 0 is 1. So this is 3 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. So answer is successful. Now coming towards another problem. So this is problem number 15. Sin x minus cos x. This tends to pi by 4. Now this is very urgent and important problem, students. The form is a sin x plus minus b cos x. Whenever this form will appear, divide, multiply and divide by root over a square plus b square. This is the fundamental rule, and the ready-made answer is also root over a square plus b square. If you want to do in competitive examination, the fastest trick is this, the ready-made answer. So 1 and 1, you can write here 1 and 1. So that your ready-made answer is 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2. So this is your ready-made answer. Now if you want to do by this basic rule, then divide and multiply by here root over a square plus b square is equal to root 1 square plus 1 square. So this is root 2. Multiply, divide by root 2. So this is your basic rule, students. Now move ahead. Limit x goes to pi by 4. 1 by root 2 sin x minus 1 by root 2 cos x divided by x minus pi by 4. Now this is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4 sin x. This is cos 45, cos pi by 4 sin x first. After that this cos pi by 4 minus cos x, this cos x, and this is sin pi by 4 divided by x minus pi by 4. Now this is set in the formula. Limit x tends to pi by 4, and at the same time I have suggested you to multiply also by root 2. So this root 2 will be as usual. as usual root 2. Now this sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, sin A minus B upon x minus pi by 4, and this is your root 2 as usual. Now we know that sin x by x is 1, since sin x by x limit x tends to 0 is equal to 1. The same formula will be in action here, so we can write limit x minus pi by 4 tends to 0 sin x minus pi by 4 upon x minus pi by 4 into root 2. So this is 1 into root 2 is equal to root 2 answer. So you have seen this sin x by x1, so sin this by this also 1. For any angle this is true. Now moving towards another problem. Problem number 17, root 3 sin x, 17 limit x tends to pi by 6, root 3 sin x minus cos x, and 3 sin x minus cos x by pi x minus pi by 6. Now as earlier I have suggested you that the ready-made answer of the problem is root a square plus b square. So just select a and b, root 3 is a and b is 1. So our ready-made answer is root 3 square plus 1 square. So this is root 4, 2. 2 is the ready-made answer, and if you are interested to move according to the pattern, divide and multiply by root over a square plus b square. The fundamental rule I have discussed already. So this is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square, finally 2. So divide and multiply by 2, limit x tends to pi by 6, root 3 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x divided by x minus pi by 6. Now move further, pi by 6, sin x first, sin a into cos b. So this is cos pi by 6 minus cos x into sin pi by 6. This is sin pi by 6 by x minus pi by 6. Again multiply by 2. Divide and multiply by 2 I have already suggested. So limit x tends to pi by 6 sin x minus pi by sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b, sin a minus b, sin x minus pi by 6 by x minus pi by 6. So you can write here x minus pi by 6 tends to 0 when pi by 6 is transferred to left side. So everything is okay. So this is 1. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2 answer. So how successfully I have answered the question, it is very clear to you. Now the more I will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much students. Try to share among all those who are the students of class 11 and who are loving mathematics and who are preparing for different competitive examinations. Thank you.